Now more than ever, many of us are taking our inside routines outside, from cooking and entertaining, as well as having fun with family. Barrette Outdoor Living paired with do-it-yourself influencer Erin Marshall to help her outside sideshow and create her dream backyard oasis.
For inspiration, I turn to nature, especially when I'm dealing with like backyard spaces. I like to feed off of what's already there. So because of all the greenery, I knew I wanted to incorporate a lot of neutrals and textures.
Barrette Outdoor Living composite decking is inspired by nature and manufactured using recycled material. Their step clip system allows for boards to be stepped into place with no special tools, making install faster than traditional deck boards.
I chose this decking because it's super easy to maintain. With wood decking, you have to stain it every year, you have to pressure wash it. With composite material, you don't have to do any of that. It gets really hot here in Georgia. With the CoolTrack technology, I don't have to worry about my deck being super hot, and I can even walk around barefoot if I want. I selected Tropical Walnut because it's a really pretty soft wood tone, and I just love it. I realized that I wanted a privacy fence for the safety of my son and for my 2 dogs.
Our fences are pretty straightforward and easy to install. The panels lock together in place, and we also offer DIY kits that include everything you need to get a fence up. SolarGuard is one of our exclusive ingenuities within all of our vinyl products. And what it does is provides fade resistance to weathering, to the sun, so it'll keep your fence looking new for years. Stay Square and Stay Straight are 2 of our exclusive ingenuities within our gates and fencing panels.
Stay Straight is a unique material composition within vinyl fence rails that provides structural durability, helping to decrease bending or sagging over time. Pergolas are an elegant and popular backyard trend. They add character and charm while also providing shade and a defined living space. Barrette Outdoor Living recently added pergolas to their collection.
Our pergola is DIY friendly. It assembles in no time at all and requires minimal tools. In fact, just an Allen wrench. Our pergola is customizable in its design because we utilize our decorative screen panels as the roofing and can be used as sidewalls as well.
Erin didn't forget about the front of her house. She decided to add the Metalworks Excalibur steel railing for some curb appeal. Excalibur gives you the strength of steel in a traditional and timeless style. The powder coating provides durability.
Erin selected the serpentine style. We also offer a variety of infills to match your aesthetic. Our steel railing comes pre-assembled with pre-attached brackets for the simplest of installations.
To view the many products available to create your outdoor oasis and to find a retailer and installer near you, go to BarretteOutdoorLiving.com. And as always, you can visit our website at designingspaces.tv.